Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is designed here, and this body is looking perfect, and how to this design is created here, and this design is how to easily create here and easily design here. Okay, all process is learn here today. Okay guys, this is a multi-section view and use a isometric view is also drawing here. This is isometric view and this body is looking perfect, and back side is also perfect looking here. Okay, so nice this body design here, and how to this body design, how to all method is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, let's start here. This process is learn here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design. Okay, this is a new part is created here. Okay, all is perfect, and at first select a XY plane and use a this position sketch is select here, and this is a correct. This is sweep and reverse vertical, and this is a okay. And use a center rectangle is created here. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use a editing command is corner is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and some dimension is used here, and again this width is select here, and this is a perfect. 250 is correct, and this is a 2, this is a 190 is correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, 180 is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit and create this sheet metal parameters is created here, and okay, sheet metal parameters is box is pop up, and this thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and also this value is changeable and also easily change here. Okay, this at first select a wall is this select here, and this direction is upward, then use a invert material side, then use a downward, and okay, and select this shading with edge without a smooth edge select here, and this plate thickness is this wall thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this face and use a position sketch. Okay, this is a sweep and reverse vertical direction, this is a correct. Okay, and this use a offset command is used here, and anywhere is select here, and this is a correct. And this is a minus 12 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and minus 11 is also better. Minus 10 is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a bend. Okay, minus 12 is correct, and exit. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use a this is a command is surface stamp command is used here, and this is a at first select this, and this height is a 90. Okay, this preview is showing here, and this first radius is a 6, and also second radius is 8 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is very nice looking here, and okay, also this is a 120 is correct, and this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some boundary is used here, then this command is a teardrop command is used, and this is a thickness is okay 2 millimeter, and again radius is 2 millimeter is correct. And this upper side line is a click here, and okay, select a this okay, this is a 1 by 1 is all is click here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and use a some material is used here, and this plane is hide, and this body is looking perfect, and use a material, then use a steel. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a right click, and the property is select here, and then reflectivity is very high, and use a this. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a looking so nice here, this is a correct. And then isometric view is also drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a back side is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric view and multi-section view is also this, and isometric view is this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, I hope this all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly learn here. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.